Hey guys, my name is Sam, aka Mr. Two Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Yeezy 700 V3 by Adidas in collaboration with Kanye West. It comes in a Yeezy cardboard box with 700 at the top. The style code is FW4980, and inside the box comes the shoes wrapped in beige Yeezy paper. No extra laces come with this pair, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. I picked these up on Yeezy Day in early August for the retail price of £175. This was the original colorway of the Yeezy 700 V3 that released back in late 2019. It's made up of a clean grey and white mesh upper with cream rubber hits at the toe. A cage-like rubber exoskeleton layer that also glows green in the dark sits above it. I like its snug padded black one-piece tongue and collar for a secure sock-like experience. Although I went up half a size, it still fits quite snug. Due to its shallow toe box design, I recommend you go up at least half a size with this model. Overall, the unconventional design, the lack of soft boost cushioning, and premium materials make the 700 V3 my least favourite 700. Yes, it's a very clean colorway, but the model no longer suits my style, so I'll have to give this a pass rating. Let me know your thoughts by commenting 2 pairs minimum, pick up or pass, and why in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Use my discount code 2pairs15 for 15% off at Liquid Proof for all your footwear aftercare needs. Apart from that, have a good day.